My new album just got 7 editorial Spotify playlists, and in this video I'm going to walk through you how to actually pitch your song to get on the editorial playlist, but also to guarantee that you get at least the Spotify algorithmic playlist, which actually result in more streams in the long run, so you do not want to miss this. My name's Chris, also known as the Artist Manifest. We just have under 1 million monthly listeners. I'm waiting for the Spotify Discovery to kick in, which is an awesome tool that's coming out that allows you to get more music. But the way to get on Spotify editorial playlists is by pitching inside of your Spotify dashboard. If you go to artists.spotify.com, that's where you log in, and then you can see where your upcoming music is, and you can pitch to a Spotify editorial playlist. But first, you have to schedule your song for release at least 2 weeks before the song comes out so that you can pitch it to the editorial playlist. That's Spotify's minimum gap that you need to release. So I like to upload my song 3 weeks ahead of time, just in case there's any lag, just in case there's any mistakes. And I'm going to show you on my screen here in just a minute why, because otherwise then you can't get on editorial playlists. You can't hit the algorithmic playlists, which includes Release Radar. It includes the Discovery Weekly, the radio playlist, which includes the Spotify Discovery, and so much more. So you want to make sure you plan out your release. I really encourage you, and what I'm going to show you in this video is that I collaborated with another artist. So not only am I going to pitch the song on my end, they're going to pitch the song from their account, so we both get to pitch the song for a chance to get into the editorial playlist, but also all his followers get notified about the new song, and all my followers get notified about the new song, so together we're getting way more streams. We are in a singles economy. We are in the collaboration economy. Now's not the time to just be doing it all on your own. You want to work with other artists so you can get to your goal faster. So without further ado, I'm sharing my screen and let's jump into this. So yesterday, I literally came into my DistroKid and I uploaded new music, and it's already in my Spotify dashboard here, right? I'm in artist.spotify.com, but I uploaded my music using DistroKid. And so if I click on my music, I literally uploaded this song yesterday, and in less than 24 hours, it's already showing in my Spotify dashboard, okay? It's going to come out on July 8th. I scheduled that. When you upload a new song, it gives you the option to select a release date, so I selected July 8th because, again, I wanted to make sure I'm at least 2+ weeks ahead so I can pitch it to the Release Radar and get on the editorial playlist. So if you look at here, pitch a song to our editors. Return to the Greatest releases on July 8th. Pitch a song so our playlist editors can hear it first. So I'm going to click pitch a song, or if you're not showing up in here, you want to click on music, click on upcoming, and it should show in here as well too. So I'm going to click pitch a song, and then I'm going to click next, and it's asking what my hometown is from, so I'm going to keep that as Pickering. And choose up to 3 genres. So I'm going to go alternative, hip hop. I'm going to do alternative. Let's see here. Alternative. Well, give me just another alternative. Boom. And then I'm probably going to do indie hip hop if they have it, which I don't know if they do. So I might just go with hip hop for this one if it'll let me. So many genres of hip hop, and it's really important that you land in the right. I wouldn't even say it's hip hop. I'm gonna go. It says choose up to 3 genres. So you know what? I'm probably just gonna keep it like that because I'm not gonna force it to a genre that it's not. Choose up to 2 music cultures. I'm gonna choose none. Chill. So this song is definitely energetic and it is fierce. Choose up to 2 song styles. None of these for me, so I'm going to click none of these. And again, you don't want to force anything. Don't force anything that's not like legit. Now it wants me to select what instruments, and honestly, I want to make sure that I've got this right, so I'm going to click on the song. Okay, so I've got all my instruments. Okay, so we got piano in there. We've got drum kit. We've got basses in there. And what else do we got? We got some synthesizer for sure. And that's cool. And is this a cover? No. Is it a remix? No. How is it recorded? Studio. Is it an instrumental? No. What languages it are in? English. And you'd be surprised, for those of you that are watching this, there are so many huge artists in Spanish and many other languages. You'd be surprised. Not all songs are in English. Which is a big wake-up call. It's so easy being from North America to think every song is in English, but you got to understand there's millions of fans with different languages out there, and you might even want to consider doing a cover of song or getting someone to do a famous cover of something in a different language, or having your song sung in a different language and blowing it up. Now we click next. Add a description. Tell us about the process of creating the song as well as any plans to promote it. This song was written with Otto Blue. I'm going to say award-winning producer Otto Blue for TV film, for sports and TV film, and we thought it was a smash, so releasing and promoting as a single on all our social media, email lists, and shooting a video. So I'm just going to talk about it. Now it's showing here some of my top playlists already, right? And I want you guys to know, okay, once I click next, it's going to look at all my responses so I can check them all over and make sure they all look good. And you don't want to rush this, okay? Because once this song is out and it's streamed on Spotify, like if I look at any of my songs on Spotify, because these are already out, I can't re-release them. Like I can't go back to DistroKid and re-release them and then try and pitch it because they've already been streamed on Spotify. Now, if I wanted to do a remix of one of these songs and get a feature on it or do an acoustic version, I can do that, and then that will help to, then I could repitch it again. But if a song has already been streamed on Spotify, then you cannot release it here, okay? Look, don't forget, followers get this song on their release radar playlist when you pitch at least a week before release. They say a week, but I don't like to take chances and I don't like to rush things, because when you think about the thousands and thousands of songs that are uploaded every day, you don't want to take chances. And I'm going to show you, look, release radar, okay? I'm going to show you that. Let's just click pitch. Okay, thanks for your pitch. You can pitch another unreleased song after this one goes live. So you can only pitch one song at a time. I click okay. Now let's just click on releases. And on my song Teardrops, it's been doing really, really well, but we didn't get any editorial playlists, okay? But we did get Spotify's algorithmic playlists. And this song has been out barely 28 days, and the release radar generated 81,000 streams. That's the majority. And then the radio, your daily mix, and then, of course, this is Manifest, which we all have. And then they're all just indie playlists, right? Just all fans playlists, which can make up a good chunk of playlists, right? Like that can help, but that's nothing compared to the release radar. So just think of all the songs that you may or may not have released on Spotify and you didn't pitch it. You missed out on the release radar. Like we had another song that just went live a few days ago. It's called Here We Come. We didn't get any editorial playlists. I don't know why. Sometimes we get them, sometimes we don't. But again, which is the biggest one? Release radar, 26,000 streams in just a few days. Of course, we got lots of other playlists, right? My album, I want to show you I Run With Wolves. Let's go here. This, the albums don't get added to playlists. It's songs that are added, but I know this song, Break the Habit, got added to a lot of playlists. Kick-Ass Metal and all these really big ones. But let's just scroll down here. Let's do, it's not giving me, let's get stats. Those are recent ads. Okay, so these are still my top 97 playlists. As you can see, some of these editorial playlists brought me a lot, but release radar is right there. And it's only saying 3,000. I don't know why. That's only the last, oh, look, your song, these are the last 7 days. I know the release radar has generated a lot more streams than that, and not showing me for some reason. But the point I want to make here is don't just get caught up in the editorial playlists. Those matter, but the real big one is the release radar. And you tap into that by pitching it to to the Spotify playlists. Now, if you need more help, you need more coaching, I want to invite you to our next 10X Your Fanbase 5-day challenge. If you want to get more fans, because the fans are where the fortunes are, you don't need a record label. I'm an independent artist, all right? We have just under 1 million monthly listeners. It's going to shoot back up to 1 million once the Spotify discovery kicks in for this month. But the point is, I want to help you grow your fan base. And so come join our next 5-day challenge. And when you get a VIP ticket, once you put your name and info, it'll take you to this page where you can put your name and info, and you can get a VIP ticket where I coach you for 5 days straight. You can either get the general admission or the VIP ticket for $49, and then I show you and teach you every single day. You can ask questions, and I'll help you grow your Spotify, grow your email list, and blow it out of the water. So I look forward to seeing you on that. Either way, go release some music and make sure you market it.